Bharani from Coimbatore. I'm gonna prepare 3-layer custard chocolate cake without oven and eggless. Such easy and delicious recipe. Everyone should try this recipe, and don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to No Rules Kitchen. Take 1 packet of digestive biscuit, put it into a jar, grind the biscuits into a powder form, transfer the grind biscuits into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of butter to the powdered biscuits, mix the butter and the biscuits well, transfer the biscuit mixture into a rectangular mold and spread the mixture evenly. Pour 1 cup of milk to the pan and boil it for about a minute. Add 1/4 cup of sugar to the milk. Mix until the sugar dissolves. Add 1/4 cup of custard powder to the milk. Mix it well so that there is no lumps. Now you can see that the custard mixture is well mixed without any lumps. Stir it for about 10 to 15 seconds well. Pour the custard mixture over the biscuit layer and spread them evenly. Add another 1 cup of milk to the pan for preparing the third layer. Add 1/4 cup of sugar. I have mixed 1/4 cup of cocoa powder with some water without any lumps. Pour into the milk and mix it well. Keep stirring for about 30 to 45 seconds. Mix 2 tablespoons of corn flour with some water and pour into the cocoa mixture. Stir it continuously or else it will stick to the pan. You can see within 30 seconds the mixture got thicker. This is the correct consistency. So let's switch off the stove. Pour the hot chocolate ganache over the custard powder mixture. Tap the mixture well so that it doesn't form any bubbles. Decorate with some choco chips and refrigerate for about 1 hour. After an hour, I have taken out from the fridge. Let it cool for about a minute. Let's cut into cubes and serve chill.